Welcome back to another episode of Mukbang. Today I'm going to show you Ghanaian snack. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this video. While you're watching the video, don't forget to like the video, comment and let me know where you're watching from. Well, let's enjoy this amazing Ghanaian food. I hope you guys doing amazing out there. So today I want to showcase some amazing Ghanaian snacks. And this food here is eggs. And this is a stew that I made with extra virgin oil and some tomato. And also here is beans. You know, it's beans and some stew, the same tomato stew, a spicy stew. So while I'm eating this food, these are some of the Ghanaian snacks that could also help you lose weight, especially if you're on a diet and you're trying to lose weight like I am doing right now. This food will help you lose weight. So this food, we have a food in Ghana. It's called Kosua Meko, like egg and chili. You see this food everywhere in Ghana. Normally the ladies carry this food over the head, and when you want to buy, you know, they stop and then they crack it for you, open it like I'm going to do shortly. They put some chilies and some onions, but today I'm going to have mine with the stew that I prep. So yeah, so guys, what I have here, I have beans. I have beans with a stew, and I also have a stew here. Then I have 4 eggs, but I'm not going to eat all the 4 eggs. But you know, yeah, eggs is really good for you. It's good for your immune system, and also it's good if you're on a diet. Egg is something very, very important you should consider. Well, so what do you do? So what is just a normal, you boil the eggs, you boil it for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. I like to boil mine probably about 20 minutes. You know, make sure you boil it properly. And then after it's boiled, put some cold water to make sure you can peel it properly. And then once it's peeled, guys, watch me very carefully. Let me eat Ghanaian snack. This Ghanaian snack is like one of the best Ghanaian snack that you can never miss. Guys, let me get closer so that you can see exactly what I'm going to do. So here is my egg, and here is my stew, and also here is my beans. What I'm actually going to do is, this is what I'm going to have for my lunch because I'm trying to eat small portions. So what I have, egg, stew, beans, right? So let's have our snack first. So what you do first is, I wash my hand already. So I open this egg very, very gently. Do you see that? It's all open. Can you see how beautiful that egg look? How gorgeous is that? Look at that. All you have to do, you hold it like that, yeah? Then you put your stew in. Oh my god, that stew is looking. This is a Ghanaian snack, you know? This is like a normal everyday Ghanaian snack. It's delicious as ever, guys. This food can keep you going all the time. You see that? All I did is open it, but now because of the video, I opened the first one, show you, but I don't need to open it fully. But I'm just going to make sure my sauce get in there. Look at that. Can you see? Whew. Look at that, baby. Oh, now let's get it in there. You can't go wrong with Ghana food. I'm telling you. Normally, this food is called abobo or gobe or beans. No, you put gari, plantain. I sometimes have it with brodo. Like in Ghana, we have like a bread, like freshly baked bread. I normally have with it with the palm oil, I mean red oil. But because I'm doing diets, I'm on a keto diet, I'm just having this with a stew, you know, because I need my protein. Eating small portion is really good, especially if you're on a diet, because you get hungry. So imagine if you get hungry, right? I have 2 spoons of this. Then 2 hours later, I have this. I bet the question you're going to ask yourself is he actually eating 4 eggs? I think I'm allowed to eat 2, but I don't think 4 would do me any harm. That's my final one. You see that? Oh. Oh. Look at that, baby. Mmm. 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 I'm eating good food at the same time losing weight. I've posted a video yesterday about the food we'll be eating. If you want to watch the full content, click on the link below or go to the recent videos you see. See? Small food, small portion, delicious food is making us lose weight. You know, do I miss carbs? Not really, because I find alternatives to lose weight. And guys, it's lunchtime, and if you do enjoy this kind of content and you want me to do more of this lose weight fast kind of food, please do let me know, you know, because I love food and I'll research and make sure I get this content onto your screen. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos. If you kind of want to see what we do on the channel, go on the playlist. There's tons of videos on there. We have videos from all over the world. We have videos from Bangladesh, we have videos from Dubai, we have videos for Indian food, we have videos from African food, we have Nigerian food, we have almost everything that you like. Guys, do me a favor, where are you watching from? Are you watching from Africa, India, Bangladesh, India? I mean, are you watching from Asia? Are you watching from Africa? Please do let me know, because I do want to know where my audience watching from, so that I can research and create content based on my audience. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch this Ghanaian snack with me.